So hello everyone, today we're going to show you a demo of how to contribute to various repositories. This is my repository here. In case you don't know, this is Github Desktop. It's a graphical user interface for Git. If you're not very familiar with Git, I recommend using this software. I've installed it for the demonstration purposes. So first of all, you got to clone the repository. So you go to repository, you go to file, and then clone repository. You go to URL, and then you paste the repository URL. Let me just get it from my repositories. So TextSentimentAnalysis is my repo. I'll just go to code and copy this. It has a .git at the end, so I'll just copy that and go and paste it here. So first of all, I've already done this step, so no need to do it again. You guys have to do it. I'll just cancel that. So now how do we actually contribute? This is the project loaded. You can show it in Explorer or open it in your code editor. You can do a lot of things with it. We won't go into the minute details, but yeah. So now what we'll do is, it shows that the current branch is main. We'll create a new branch. So how can you do that is that you can go to branches and create a new branch. So like create a branch. You can write, since this is the submission report, it's like submission for the phase 1 winter of code. So and my name maybe like my initials. So I'll create a branch, and we're in the current branch, and then we'll just show it in Explorer first. So yeah, this is the repository, and now we'll create a new folder here called submission reports. So let's just do that real quick. Oops, it's a typo. Okay, now that we've created this folder, let me check. Yeah, so we add this file name here. We'll just open it in like VS Code, or you can do it in your favorite editor, but mine, I like VS Code, so I use that very often. I'll just enter the submission reports and create a new file. I'll give the name, and it should be created. Yeah, so it's like you can type out anything here, like hello world, or like better than hello world would be to use the template itself, like the winter of code 2020 template that you can find here. It's like winter of code 2020 template. And so let's just paste this in here, and then save it, and now close and close everything. Close, and now you can see your changes. So I created this file, add a description like added winter of code phase 1 report for Farhan Khan. Let's just say that. Give a description if you needed, like some submissions pending maybe, and you like to change it later, but that's also okay if you want to revisit it. So let's just commit that, and this is happening under this branch. So it's like yeah, first you gotta publish the branch to GitHub, but I won't do that for now. Let's just make out a pull request from this branch. Let's just first publish it. So yeah, so I'll go to branch and then create a pull request. So it just pops out here. Nice. So that's why I love this tool. It's like create pull request, and then you get directed to like, yeah, So put this description and then create a pull request, and then I will just merge your pull request, and this is how you contribute to the projects. The process is similar for my other repository, that is conf10.github.io. This is like a GitHub pages, and what you have to do is you have to go to Winter of Code, WoC, and for the authors you have to go to data and then change authors.yml. You first clone this and then you do the things. So you add whatever you want here, your avatar, your photo, you add your photos in here. So it's like you go to assets and then images, and then give me a second here. So asset, images, and you can add your photo here and then give the link out here, and it'll show it in the GitHub pages. So I'll just quickly show you how it looks like. So this is the starter block that I wrote. So this is the thing, like I'll just go into the edit mode that you can do in your code editor, but I'll just show it here because it's not that necessary to do it right now. So this is the title, this is the excerpt that will be shown. Actually, let me just open it up so that guys can better understand it. And this will give you more publicity and more reach, and you can show off what you've done. So it will appear like this. This is the text sentiment analysis starter block. So this is the title and this is the description that you give. Let's just open that. So this is the look. You can customize this image to whatever, but this should be your image. So it fetches from Markdown, so that's pretty cool. Like you type some Markdown and it gets converted magically into a website. That is the beauty of GitHub pages and Jekyll, and that's all I have for you. So you can edit this, write anything you want, like what you did over the week. Pretty much self-explanatory, and this is a sort of template that's given, and you can also use the template for the other one, that is for Winter of Code. We have a template for that too, like Winter of Code 2020 template. I hope you have understood what to do. So for now we'll just close this. Yeah, that's all I like to say. So this is the sort of template. You can also edit it like we did in the code editor or from here. I'd recommend using the code editor though, not from here. This is only for the demonstration purposes. And that's all. You type something here, you change something, and then you change something here, and then it gets reflected back in this page. So I think that's pretty awesome. So happy blogging and happy Winter of Code.